Hello, here a nice video about Muse, Linux and my prototype MIDI controller here. I will call it MIDI-Wush, and it has a LDR here. It's a light detecting resistor, and you can use your hand to do some MIDI washing. I will show you how the software of this thing is now in this prototype version. When you start this thing new up, you have this display here with these red dots. It shows you where you need to do some settings. So when it is in this mode, you can use this both buttons here to alter the controller you want to send to the output, and with these buttons you can change the MIDI channel you want to use. Standard is MIDI channel 1 and controller 70. Okay, I will take it with these settings for the beginning, and then to get rid of this display you have to press this button here. Then you get this blue border here. Now you put your hand here and put it directly over the LDR and put no hand on it. Then you have the thing here has measured the minimum and maximum values. Pressing this button again, and now you have here the display, and when you now put your hand on here, you see how this display changes. It changes very fast, so you see it's almost a rectangle what is seen here, and you can put this take this button here and it is inverted. Now you have the other way. I prefer this setting here. This is the maximum and this is the minimum value. When there is no value, then you only see this moving dot here, and to see that something is working. Okay, now we go here in Muse and start the playback. This is a bus. This bus is made by Odin 2. This here is the Odin 2 for the second thing here, and this is the bus Odin. We don't need this Odins. I will take them the way I've left them, and now I can play. Okay, now first we do some settings here with this Odin. This is this Odin here. I press here the white mouse button, go here to the setting where I find filter 1, and now we have here filter 1 frequency. Where is it here? I say it should be made red, so now I have it here visible, and now I can go here again and tell it I want to use MIDI control. Go to zuweisen in German. I don't know the English word, activate or whatsoever. Now press it. Now we can press here the learn button. The MIDI-Wush sends its data every time, so it has learned it is MIDI cable MIDI 1, and it's a normal controller, and it's the controller number 70. Okay, we can have a try. No, I don't want to reset this thing to set another controller, so let's just use it this way. Now I go to OK, and now you see that this controller here, it is moving with my hand position. This red bar is moving, and now I don't need to start a record operation. I just play it. I go here, but before doing so, I need to adjust this thing. This is done with the with these buttons here in this mode. I can tell it here what is the minimum and the maximum value. Now when I press here, you see this minimum value, it's going higher, and when I press here, I can move the maximum value to another value, and to hear it, we just start this here. And when you use these buttons here, now we can change a bit on this Odin synth here. Oh, it was the wrong Odin. We have to use this one here. We go again here. So I think we have adjusted this thing the way we need it. Now we can record a bit. So I go here, we close this Odin. Now I have here my first Odin, and I can click here on auto off. You can also do it here at this place, and you put this to white mode. And now you see here there's a little rectangle, and now it is recording the things you do here when playing the music. So we start here and start to play it. Now you see here it is recorded, but it is a bit if you want to have some smoother look, you can create it an easy way. Just press this button here, the last one here, and then the display here, it shows a smooth value. Maximum is value 8, and now you see when you move your hand, then it is smoothed with a ramp about 1 second in rise and set time. Perfect, I think, for this music here. So we start again. Go here to some setting. Now you see this is looking better, and now I change this here back to only read. We also do the following. Right click here, go here to this filter frequency again and clear the MIDI control by clicking here on delete. And now I have here my thing, and we can go to the next part here. We can see if we can do something here. Now I go to filter 1 frequency. I am on the white thing here. Yes, okay. Filter 1 frequency and MIDI learn. There we are. Go to OK. Now I go here again and put this filter from 1 frequency to yellow. There you have it. Now on to the next thing. Now we open the second Odin here and try to we can do the same here for the filter 1 resonance. Put this to blue and now go to this thing here, filter resonance, where are you? Here, and we have now put the same controller to the resonance. Now we can here change the volume settings, so make this bass a little lower. Here this is resonance, delay and flanging for this synth. Okay, that's the MIDI-Wush. I will produce a PCB for this, make some changes, more changes to the program to get more functionality, perhaps add more sensors. The little Arduino inside, it has many analog inputs. I have thought about a thing to do aftertouch by putting little sensors below this keyboard here. Then when you play, you can press the key and it measures the pressing here by this moving keyboard. There are many possibilities and I will check them all. Okay, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.